The outlier value. What about outlier value? The outlier value of all this data set, we have 24, 25, 21, 22, 7, 21, 23. First step, we must arrange all the values from left hand side to right hand side. Write 7 and then 21, 21, right, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then the outlier value, it will be what? It will be 7. You must choose 7. Choose letter D about question letter A. Question letter B. Which of the following data sets hasn't any outlier? Hasn't any outlier here? Look at with me about letter A. We have 103, the smallest number, and it was, we have here 17, 102, 103, 103, 103 was repeating here. Hasn't any outlier. Letter B, 300, 309. Okay, letter A, we have the outlier here, 17, it's the outlier. But letter B, we have 300, 309, 302, 303, 305, 306, 308. We have 300, the least number, and we have 302, 303, 305, 306, 7. We haven't 6, 7. But here 7 lies outside here, then 7 outlier. Okay, what about meaning of outlier? Outlier, its meaning, the number lies outside. 7 lies outside of numbers here. And letter B, 300, 309, 302, 303, 305, 306, 308. We haven't here outlier. We haven't any numbers outside. Then you must choose letter B. About question letter B, you must choose letter B. Again, what about outlier? Outlier, its meaning, this digit lies outside. About letter A, we have here outlier 17. And letter C, the outlier here will be what? What is the number outside? It will be 204. It's more than. And what about outlier? Outlier, its meaning, number lies outside from left hand side or right hand side of all sets. So the outlier here in letter C will be 204. And the outlier about letter D, it will be 4. 4 lies outside of all digits. 4, and we have here 211, 212. It's nearest to all the digits here, nearest to up. But 4 listen, then 4 lies outside. Then we have outlier here. The outlier here will be 4. And 100,000. It's the outlier. But in this example, letter B, we haven't here the outlier. Because 300, 309, 302, 303, 305, 306, 308 كلهم all the values nearest to them. Okay, you must choose letter B because we haven't here the outlier. Question letter C. The mode of the following data 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2. What's about the mode? The mode, its meaning, the digit or the number whose was repeating all the time. What is the greatest number was repeating here? We have 3 was repeating 2 times and 5 repeating 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the mode of the following data will be 5 because 5 was repeating 4 times. Question letter C, choose letter P. Okay, question letter C, choose letter P. He asked about the mode. The mode is meaning what is the number was repeating. The most repeating here, it will be the digit 5. 5 is repeating 4 times, then the mode here will be 5. In the equation x equal 4y plus 3, the dependent value here, the dependent, it will be what? Letter D. Look at here, x equal 4y plus 3. We called it dependent and y independent. Then in the equation, the dependent here will be x. Choose letter E. Question letter E. Which box bullet represents the data? 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, and 14. We have the box bullet here. First, we must arrange all the value from least to greatest, and then find the median of all digits, and then find the lower quartile and upper quartile and the minimum and the maximum. Okay, look at here. We have 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, and 4. To find the median, you must cancel one digit by one digit, and 10 by 2, 9 by 4, 9 by 4, 9 by 5, then 8, we called it the median. The median here will be equal 8. It's the median. And 2 will be minimum. The minimum value here will be 2. And the maximum value, it will be 4. And we can find from this group, we can find what? Q1. Q1 here refers to lower quartile. What is this number? This number will be 4. It's quarter 1. And quarter 3 from this group, nihilize the median of all the set. Then it will be quarter 3. We called it what? Upper quartile. Okay, we have minimum and the maximum, quarter 1, quarter 3, and the median. Then we can draw the beginning here from the minimum to the maximum number. We have here 14. Okay, sorry, it was 14. Okay, maximum was 14 to 14. And then write the point here and divide the point. And quarter 1, it will be 4. And the quarter 3, it will be 9. Okay, and then draw this box here from 2 to 4, from 4 to 9, because it's quarter 1, and here quarter 3, and join this number line from 2 and this number 4, maximum and the minimum, and the median was 8. It's the median. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, then it's the result. Look at with me to choose the result. Here will be what? It's like this number 4, and we have here 9 and 8 and 14 and 4. Okay, choose letter C. It's like this result. Okay, choose letter C. Question number 2, complete. Letter A. The mean of the following data. Here we can find the mean by add all the values and divided the number of the values. Question number 2. Letter A. The mean. We can add 9 plus 11 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5, 9 plus 11 plus 20 plus 15 plus 5. 1 2 3 4. How many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5. 9 plus 11 20. 20 plus 20 40. 40 plus 15 equal 55. 55 plus 5 equals 60. 60 divided by 5, it will be equal 12. Then the mean here it will be 12. Letter B. Space is the better measure of the center for data with no outlier values. We can use what? The mean without using the outlier. But if we have the outlier in the result, you must arrange ascending and or descending to choose the median. Again, we use the mean where the data will what? Will have no outlier values. If we haven't alter, you must use the mean, this method. But if we have the outlier, you must arrange ascending or descending to find the median. Again, the better measure of center for data set with no outlier. Look at this word, no outlier. We know what's the meaning of outlier. Outlier, it's meaning the number lies outside or has more distance between the digit and the values. So outlier, it's meaning the number moving outside. If we have outlier in the result, you must use the median. And if we haven't the outlier in these values, we must use the mean. It's the best or the better measure of center for data. Because we haven't outlier in the number. We haven't outlier, you must use the mean. But if you have the mean, or if you have the outlier, you must use the median. Use the median when you have outlier, okay? We use the mean when we haven't any outlier in the number. Such that if we have all values, look at this example. What about 2 and 100, 200, 100, 120, 130, 140. We have here 2, we call it the outlier. Then in this data, the best measure we can use what? We can use the median. But if we cancel the outlier here, you must use the mean. Okay, letter B. Mean is the better measure of center for data set with no outlier values. Okay, next question letter C. The mode of the opposite data. We can find the mode from this data here. What is the digit? The most repeating here, the most repeating was 14. 14 has 3 dot out or up. So the mode of the opposite data, it will be 14. Write 14 here. Question letter D. From the opposite bar graph, the number of the students who didn't prefer yellow color. How many students didn't prefer yellow color? We can add here 6 plus 5 plus 4. 6 plus 5 plus 4. Because we have 4 students like this, the red was 4. Okay, 4. I will write the number of students like red was here 6. It's 6. Okay, 6 students like this color, red, and the blue was 5. How many students like green? Green here it was 4. Then the result will be 6 plus 5, it will be 11. 11 plus 4, it will be 15. Then we have 15 students doesn't like yellow. Okay, understood. The number of students who didn't prefer yellow color, it will be 15. Question letter E. 3 power 2 plus 4 in brackets divided by 13. The sum of 3 power 2 and 4 divided by 13. 3 power 2 equal 9. 9 plus 4 divided by 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 divided by 13, it will be equal 1. It's order of operation. Parentheses first, exponent next. Multiplication and division is the same step. Addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side. First come, first serve. 3 power 2 equal 9 plus 4 equal 13. 13 divided by 13 equal 1. Question number 3. By using the following dot bullet, what is the best measure of center tendency then to find? Look at here in this example we haven't the arterial. We haven't arterial here. Or we have, okay, look at again, we have 5 outside, it's outlier, 5 outlier because it's nearest 12, it's nearest to 13, nearest to 14. So 5 we called it what? Outlier. We have the outlier digit. If we have the outlier digit, you must use here the median. You used what? The median here. It's the best measure to find it by using following data. What is the best measure? Center. To find the center, it will be what? We have 5, 12, 13, 14. We must using here the median. And what about the median here? We have 5 and 12 and 13, 14. Then the median here, it will be 13. We must cancel this. Use the median between 12 and 13 and 14. It will be 13, the median. Understood this question? It's very important. If we have the outlier, you must use the median. If we haven't the outlier, you must add the sum of them, find the sum of all digits and divide the number of them. Again, if we have outlier, you must using what? The median. But if we haven't the outlier, you must use the mean. The mean equals the sum of all values divided the number of values. Okay. Question number 4. If the median of the values k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 5, k plus 4, k plus 3, where k is opposite integer is 13, then find the value of k. He give us in this example what? The median. The median equal what? Equals 30. He tell us the median equals 13. Then you must arrange all the values here from least to greatest, or from greatest to least, ascending order or descending order. Right? K plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4, k plus 5. Okay, it's the last one. Who can tell me the median here? To find the median, you must cancel first by first and second by second, and then the median here will be k plus 3. He tell us the median equals 13. Then k plus 3 equals 13. Then k will be 13 minus 3 equal 10. Then k here will be equal 10.